Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have two Whatnot unboxings. First one is from 430 Customs. We won this truck in a giveaway. It's a custom Silverado right here. Look at that custom wheel right there. He told me to say go Cowboys. So go Cowboys. I am a Broncos fan. He was giving me some stuff in the chat. But man, those are clean wheels right there on that. Let me know what you guys think about that. Look at that pearl. Look at that blue right there. It's not pearl. But look at that silver and blue combination. And then we got Speed Savage over here. We paid $10 for these. Pick three. So we got this Nissan Silhouette Liberty Walk Nissan GT right here. Very beautiful car right there with the Hot Wheels logo on the side of it. Then we got the 87 Ford Sierra. That is a Cosworth. Beautiful car as well. We also got the logo on the side. And last but not least, we got a Subaru WRX and that very midnight blue color right there with that livery on the side. Very beautiful color on the car. Let me know what is your guys' favorite out of all three of these. And let me guys know about this custom truck right here. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Late.